In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the AI model in Copilot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the model picker, how to switch models confidently, and a few tips to choose the right one for your task. First, make sure you're logged into your GitHub account. This is important because your Copilot access is tied to that login, and being signed in ensures the model options available to your plan and organization show up correctly. If you use multiple accounts, double-check you're on the one that has Copilot enabled to avoid confusion later. Next, open Copilot. You can use it wherever you normally interact with it, whether that's the chat panel in your editor, a desktop app, or a web interface. The process is the same across environments. You'll be looking for the chat prompt area where you type your message. Now look just below the prompt box. You should see a drop-down that indicates the current AI model. It might display a model name or a small label with an arrow. If your window is narrow, the label can sometimes be tucked beside the send button, so give the interface a little space if you don't see it at first glance. Think of this drop-down as your control panel for switching between different strengths. Some models are faster, some are more capable with longer reasoning, and some may be tailored for coding or general conversation. Click the drop-down to open the model menu. You'll see a list of available models for your account. Each model typically includes a name and sometimes a short description. If you're deciding which to use, consider your goal. Choose a faster model for quick drafts and lightweight tasks, and a more advanced model when accuracy, reasoning, or complex refactoring matters. If you're working with code-heavy prompts, pick the model that's recommended for development in your environment. Finally, select the model you want. The drop-down will update to show your choice, and your next messages will use that model. In many setups, the change applies immediately to the current chat. If you don't notice a difference, start a fresh prompt to give the model a clean context. You can switch back at any time, so feel free to experiment and see which option feels best for your workflow. That's all there is to it. Log into GitHub, open Copilot, find the model dropdown under the prompt box, click it, and select the model you want. Keep this handy when you're moving between quick explorations and deeper problem solving, and you'll get the most out of Copilot every time.